Innovation, it's to me, it's partnering with patients. It's continually advancing our understanding of the human and disease biology, but also listening and learning from patients. Listening, the word listen has the same letters as silent, and I only found that out a few years ago, but to me that means a lot. In order to listen to patients, we need to ask them questions, we need to prompt them, and we need to in turn listen to them. By doing that, it gives us a deeper understanding, a deeper appreciation of their reality and their needs, so we can then turn that into our clinical research and make a difference for patients. The empowerment that we have at UCB, the idea that we have situations like this at UCB where the employees are valued and the employees are empowered to make a difference, that's a powerful mix. To me, it's the analogy of cooking in a kitchen, is that we have these great ingredients, and because of that we have this perfect recipe.